Rest in peace. Look like the cat done smoked his meal for the day. God damn. Rest up, little birdie. Look at your sick ass. Oh, damn. That wasn't even the bird I was looking at. That was something else. Here go the bird right here. But the bird just did too. Shit. Wow. Why you smoking that bird, man? You bogus as hell. Why you smoking that bird like that? And then you smothering the man. Scientists from Northwestern, University of Chicago, and UIC will work together. The biohub will also have its own staff and scientists and researchers. Mayor Johnson addressed the Chicago Venture Summit this morning. The event's mission is supporting technology. Your ass a serial killer. Climate change. You be over there killing grasshoppers, birds. Run up on one of them motherfucking I bet his ass won't run up on one of them motherfucking possums. Sockey, I bet your ass won't run up on one of them possums. I bet I ass won't. Look, Sockey, he just got a Sockey just got her prey fucking her prey up. You wild as hell, Sockey. Oh, I'm still alive. I'm still alive. Still alive.
Sockey. Get that damn bird. Sockey.
Sockey, take that bird down the street.
Sockey. Sockey. Get that damn bird. And go to the crib with that shit. Get that bird from up off of here. Don't scare that. Show off the damn dead bird.
Yeah, she seen that dog coming. Yeah, she watching his ass. On his ass like the fetties.
Why the bird look like he going for another?
Yeah, look, she been trying to catch another one. She done killed one, trying to catch another one. You sick ass.
That a bitch. Going for sisters too?
Be careful, little homie.
think that's a
Be
girl.
careful. She right here
Get her, sockey.
on bullshit. Be careful. Okay, little homie got out of there. He already seen she was on good bullshit.
That's crazy.
She caught her one. She got him. Look, she done smoked my man. And now she waiting on something else. Bogus as hell. Now she finna chew on my man. Look at her. Look, she like, hold on. Look, scratch my shit. Look, that's another one.
Yeah, in the tree.
She like, it's another one. This a real life street cat, man. Motherfuckers don't know sockey. She street. She eat 3 grasshoppers a day and 2 birds per day. She's a sicko. We call her sockey because
Look like a soccer ball.
she look like a soccer ball.
Look at that bird though, fool. It look like it's at a funeral.
Yeah. Oh, man, look. She like, you still alive?
You want breast now?
What's going on?
You want the leg of the wing?
She bogus.
Cause you got the wing, huh? Sockey, get that shit going. Get the fuck on. You gonna eat that shit in the corner?
Yeah, she in the cut. Look at her. Took her meal over there.
Damn. Get that damn dead
Get
bird.
that dead bird from over there, Sockey.
And go on over there with it. Nah, Sockey. Go.